Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to another day of me wrenching on the 240 out here. I went through and I cleaned out the inside of my car really thoroughly. Pressure washed it, got it really clean, treated all the rust spots, patched up some things with the welder. We got rid of all the mold and mildew that was growing inside the car, and got rid of all the dirt and grime from sitting like with no interior for so many years. So today I'm going to be like deep cleaning all the carpet and interior pieces, getting the AC system and blower motor and everything under the dash hooked back together, and we're going to start getting this interior back together so we can get the inside of the car finished. Once we're done with that, we'll be probably halfway done with the build, I'd say. So I'm super excited to get this stuff taken care of today. It's going to be, once I'm done with it, it's going to be another big hurdle out of the way. So this is the piece of carpet that goes on the firewall. It's mostly just this like foam stuff, so I'm not sure how well I'm actually going to be able to scrub it. So you can see it tears apart pretty easily, but I do need to try to get any smells out of it and get it cleaned up as much as possible. So I think to do that, I'm going to go ahead and soak this thing in like a mixture of vinegar and detergents. I think that's going to be the best way to clean this thing out. I'm going to start filling this tub up, and then we are going to get some detergents and stuff in here and let this thing soak. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Last night I stayed up pretty late, got a bunch of stuff sorted out, made some good progress, got the blower motor, heater core, and evaporator in, as well as a bunch of wiring in the dash bar. So let me show you guys real quick where we're at with this thing. So as you guys can see, we got that dash bar in, a lot of the AC and heat components are in, most of the wiring is pretty much where it needs to be up front here. I still got some wiring to sort through right here around the radio harness and such. We're getting ready to throw the interior in. Show you guys real quick where we're at with the carpet. The carpet is almost dry. I got it sitting out here in the sun, hopefully a couple more hours, and this thing will be nice and dry. But the carpet cleaned up really well, and I think it's going to be nice and fresh. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and get back to the trunk harness, get all the wiring sorted out, so I can go ahead and start getting this carpet back together. So alright guys, so as you guys can see, I'm about 80% done with the interior. There's a couple things I still need to sort out, like some wiring, and I still need to install the shifter and stuff, so there's a couple pieces that haven't been installed yet. But for the most part, we're done with the interior. The dash is in, the carpets are in, everything is nice and fresh, and it turned out really awesome. It's awesome to see the inside of it looking like a car again, for sure. But alright, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I appreciate you so much for watching. If you want to stay tuned for more content, please consider subscribing. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.